In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. By launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, just tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, you need to tap on Clipboard and click on your text here. Now it will disappear after an hour unless you open it. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. By holding it, you can also edit your text and then save it, or remove it. You can also delete anything from Clipboard by swiping it to the right or to the left. Lastly, you can always use this pen icon at the top right corner to pick few things from Clipboard and manage them by tapping on pin icon or delete one. If you wanna disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!